Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Carly. Today I am doing a winter clean and decorate with me 2021. So after Christmas, I went ahead, I took all of my decor down. I had a clean slate for a few days, but today I am going to be decorating for winter. So this is all of the decor that I'm going to be leaving up until the springtime. I didn't do anything crazy. I really just did my kitchen, my dining room, and an entryway table. That's basically it. All the other decor is just kind of decor that I keep out year round. I might do a little something to my bedroom, but I'm not sure yet. So this is going to be my winter clean and decorate me 2021. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you get some decorating ideas. I kept everything nice and plain, nice and neutral, and I hope you guys enjoy.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what
If you are new here, like I said, my name is Carly. Welcome. I do tons of cleaning motivation, home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood here on my channel. So if that interests you, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. This is actually probably going to be my last video in my house for a while. If you aren't familiar with my channel, you know that my husband, we are a motocross family. He is a professional motocross racer. So his season starts up in March, and we are going to be heading down to Florida. We are leaving sometime this week, and we will be back in a few weeks, a few months actually. I am currently 30 weeks pregnant, so we are going to be having the baby down in Florida. We are super lucky and blessed with this lifestyle, and we are just really excited. We do this every single year. I know I'm probably going to get questions about it. We do have somebody, we are very fortunate that somebody does come and stays at our house while we are gone. They take care of our dogs and everything like that. So super thankful for that, but this is probably going to be my last video in my house for a while. We pick up our new RV on Wednesday, which we are super excited about. I cannot wait to share a lot of that content with you guys with like RVing and just being a mom living in an RV and organization and cleaning and all that stuff. So I'm excited. Make sure your bell notification is turned on and you guys are subscribed so you see all of those videos.
turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Let me know down below if you guys are doing any kind of winter decorating in your home. So if you decorate for the winter time, or if you do some Valentine's Day decorating, let me know what you do down below. I cannot wait to decorate for spring. I have like such a vision for my home that I want to do, and hopefully I can go ahead and bring it to life. But yes, I am so excited to decorate for spring.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love
So being 30 weeks pregnant, a lot of my cleaning looks different nowadays. It hurts to bend over. I actually had a doctor's appointment this morning, and the same thing happened with my daughter Evelyn. This baby is transverse as well. So if you don't know what that means, it means that baby is laying sideways in my stomach and putting like a ton of pressure on my pelvis, and it just hurts to bend over rather than the baby being like head down or head up. It's laying sideways. So every time I bend over, it hurts so bad. She said that was normal. She said I would probably be in a little bit of pain until the baby hopefully flips. She's not going to worry about making sure the baby flips until about 36 weeks. Evelyn flipped, like, I went to my 35-week appointment and she wasn't flipped, and I had to go back like a few days later and she had flipped. Thankfully, I went into labor with her at 37 weeks. So hopefully this little babe flips. We do not know the gender. We are keeping it a surprise. So we will find out if it's a girl or boy whenever we give birth, which I'm going to be filming the birth as well, which I am super excited for.
When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that it rained all summer. When we should stop, we go further. Didn't even notice that. Now how could I leave? How could with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. My lipstick on your white shirt collar.
I really want to go ahead and do something different to my kitchen. I've had so many ideas playing in my head. One, we really want to go ahead and do some kind of backsplash. I'm thinking some kind of maybe subway tile. I'm not sure if I want to do it white or what color I would do it because everything else is white. But I do really want to either add all black handles, or I want to do gold. I'm not sure. I've been looking around on Pinterest and I want to go ahead and spice up my kitchen and change it and give it a new look. So hopefully sometime in the summer I can go ahead and do that. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and put around some of the decor that I have for the winter time. So I had that little bless sign. I have this little plant. As you can see, the theme of this is going to be just white and greenery. I'm just kind of making my home feel nice and airy. So that's what I kind of went with for decorating for the winter time.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. So my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away.
We do live in Pennsylvania, so it is winter here with the snow. We got so much snow the other day. They were only calling for about an inch, and I think we got maybe 3 to 4. It was really fun. We took our daughter out and made a snowman. This is like the third storm that we've had this winter, which is pretty crazy for us. I mean, some days it has snowed like a little bit, just left kind of like a dusting, but this is like our third pretty big snowstorm, which we were glad to get some snow before we go away. Just being from Pennsylvania, I feel like it either I want it to be cold and snowing, or I want it to be warm. I hate when it's just cold and there's no snow on the ground and you can't do anything and the weather is gloomy. If you are from Pennsylvania, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but I was thankful to get out and get in the snow.
We're far away from the city lights and the small lines under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
So I found this greenery in my decor bin. I used it for the summertime, so I'm just going ahead and kind of playing with it. I did find some extra fillers after I was done decorating and filming and all of that, so I did add those in there, and it made it a lot fuller and it looked a lot better. I just love having greenery and like little pops of white throughout my home. I just like how airy and fresh it makes the home feel.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
I was unsure of what I wanted to put on my table. I think this little plant looks pretty cute. I do want to get some kind of wreath for the windows as well. I have like 2 or 3 that I was playing around with, but I did not like them at all. I kind of want to go with maybe a lamb's ear, but like a thick one. Yeah, so I'm not sure, but let me know if you like the table or what you think I should do on top of it.
Need to, 'cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
I absolutely love this table. We got it from Amazon. I have it linked in my description. I had this wreath up there, and I decided that I didn't really like it. So I went ahead and switched it out for this little like boho mirror, and I absolutely love it. So I kind of decorated it the same way I had it before I did all of my decor for the holiday season. So just a lot of neutrals, and I got that little picture frame. I got all this stuff, I think, from Hobby Lobby. Or maybe no, actually it was Big Lots. I got all of this stuff from Big Lots. I wasn't sure what I wanted to go ahead and put on the bottom of the table, so I just have a pillow, and I have our air like humidifier or dehumidifier, whatever it's called. I'm not sure what I should put on the bottom with it as well, so if you have any ideas, let me know down below. That is going to be it for this winter clean and decorate with me 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I hope it brought you some inspiration to go ahead and decorate your home for the winter time. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if I should do anything different, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.